Viewers, welcome to my channel Marvel Fashion Trends. Please like and subscribe my channel. Flowers bloom and so do second chances. Love and flowers make life beautiful. A petal holds 1,000 stories. In flowers, we find peace. A world without flowers is a dull place. Like flowers, we flourish with love. The beauty of a flower is its soul. Every flower blooms in its own time. A flower blossoms for its own day. Let your dreams blossom. Flowers whisper beauty to the world. To plant a garden is to believe in tomorrow. Bloom with grace, even in storms. A single rose can be a whole garden. Flowers teach us resilience and beauty. Even a weed is a flower in disguise. Floral scents are nature's love letters. Be patient, nothing in nature blooms all year. Storms make flowers root deeper. Flowers are Earth's way of smiling. A daisy is a sunbeam in petal form. Like wildflowers, grow free and untamed. A flower's beauty never fades in the heart. The secret of life is hidden in petals. A wilted flower is still a flower. Even crushed flowers leave fragrance. Roses don't bloom hurriedly, neither should we. Bloom where you are planted. Happiness blooms from within. The earth laughs in flowers. Flowers are love's truest language. Live life in full bloom.